Hey bro, thanks for watching bro. I'm now going to open this DC Primal Age Green Lantern figure. Primal Age, almost as if it was He-Man. Like the classic Masters of the Universe figures, it's the same kind of scale, the chunky legs and the 5 points of articulation. There's all the different characters that we know and love. Okay, so let's get into it and bust it open. What would it be called if he was a Masters of the Universe? Green or Howlman? I don't know. The thing I liked about this one, I've got the Lex Luthor and the Superman, is he's got a few more accessories. He's got his greeny lantern there. Look at that. He's obviously using his... Oh, did that come off? His ring to create a bit of armour. A bit piecemeal armour. Looks like there's a... You can remove that if you want to. He's got the ring there. The power ring. If you brightest day and blackest night, I'm going to give you a good green fight. Green giant. And so he has got plenty of weapons. He's got a cool green shield and a mace. Or a axe. See-through, translucent, as if it was generated by the power ring. That's quite good. It's got the Green Lantern symbol on each one. Has it got it on the mace? It'd be difficult to put it on the mace. No, I can't see it on the mace. But yeah, I think it's got more attention to detail than the other Primal Age figures, and it's got more accessories. It's more expensive as well, so maybe Green Lantern's a bit rarer. Anyway, thanks for watching, bro.